Did you know that JAWS Tech has CNC capabilities? What does CNC stand for? It stands for Computer Numerical Control. A CNC machine takes a computer-aided design, or CAD file, and uses it to know where to cut or mill. Here at JAWS Tech, we have a variety of CNC machines to help bring your ideas to reality. The DM2 is a 4-axis vertical mill capable of cutting any solid material. This machine is also capable of machining organic and intricate features. Next, we have our track lathe with also conversational programming. This machine is great for creating tapered parts as well as screws, nuts, and bolts. The SL30 is a single spindle lathe with a live toolbar feeder and a trail stock. This machine can do other operations without taking the parts out of the machine. Want dimensional accuracy? No problem. We use our Zeiss as a machined quality control. It can also be used to help us reverse engineer a part. In our heat treating oven, we can harden or anneal metal parts. JAWS Tech also offers anodizing, which adds color to aluminum parts. Hard anodizing puts a hard surface coating on aluminum parts. This is ideal for parts that will experience a lot of wear and tear. Another added perk here at JAWS Tech is that we have laser etching capabilities. Want your company logo or design or part number etched? Not a problem with our Boss Laser. Here at JAWS Tech, we strive to bring your ideas into reality. Contact us for your next CNC quote.